Welcome to Grace Heads, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews, in-depth features, and detailed specifications. If you're looking to stay updated on all things automotive, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Toyota Fortuner, a powerful SUV that's already creating waves in the automotive world. The 2025 Toyota Fortuner is a perfect blend of rugged performance, modern design, and advanced technology, making it a top choice for SUV enthusiasts. It's built to conquer both urban streets and rough terrains, offering exceptional versatility and comfort for all types of driving. Whether you're tackling city traffic or embarking on off-road adventures, the Fortuner promises a dynamic driving experience. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is its bold exterior design. The Fortuner gets a refreshed front grille with sharper lines, a redesigned bumper, and sleek LED headlights, giving it a more aggressive and modern appearance. The rear is equally impressive, with updated tail lamps and a well-sculpted body that adds to its commanding road presence. The SUV's overall stance is solid, conveying strength and durability, perfect for those who value both style and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Fortuner offers a range of engine options, depending on the market. The primary engine choice is a 2.8-liter four-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine, which provides ample power for both highway cruising and off-road excursions. This engine produces around 201 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque, ensuring quick acceleration and the ability to tow heavy loads with ease. For those looking for a more eco-friendly option, a hybrid variant is available, offering improved fuel efficiency without compromising on power. Inside, the Fortuner's cabin is designed with comfort and technology in mind. The spacious interior is equipped with high-quality materials, offering a premium feel. The front seats are supportive, while the rear seats provide ample legroom, making long journeys more comfortable. The 2025 model also boasts an updated infotainment system with a larger touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and enhanced connectivity features. The addition of advanced driver assistance systems like lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking further enhances safety. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Fortuner shines. The combination of advanced suspension systems, dynamic handling, and available 4WD makes it an excellent choice for off-road enthusiasts. Whether you're driving on paved roads or venturing into rugged terrain, the Fortuner provides a stable and confident ride. If you enjoyed this review and want to learn more about the latest cars, don't forget to subscribe to Grace Heads. We bring you all the information you need to make informed decisions. Stay tuned for more exciting content.